Mini excavators and attachments sold by Canada Automotive Equipment, power, precision, and performance, all in one place. We supply mini excavators along with a full range of machine attachments designed for construction, landscaping, agriculture, and utility work across Canada. Available equipment: mini excavators, multiple sizes, buckets, digging, grading, trenching, augers, hydraulic breakers, hammers, thumbs and grapples rippers, tilt buckets, and more. Why choose us? Heavy-duty and reliable equipment, compatible with various machines built for Canadian job sites, competitive pricing, and trusted support. Contact Canada Automotive Equipment today for availability and pricing.